How to answer question in Sendit. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how to answer Sendit questions. So in order to answer Sendit question, first thing first, you need to make sure that you have already uploaded on your story the question. In order to upload or share a question on Snapchat, you'll need to first of all install this particular application called Sendit. Make sure that you've linked your Snapchat with the Sendit. In my case, I've already added a story, so I'm just gonna show you the basic guide. Like you can see, as soon as you open up the Sendit application, you'll be taken to this page. Right over here, you can see there is an option or a statement as send guy's name, and I'll read there is. So in order to remove this question, tap on it. You can just type in your own question, such as or anything, thank you or anything, and then or you can just type in ask me anything. So here you need to click on play, which is right at the bottom. After that, you'll need to take a random snap or a background of this particular question. So a question will be posted or highlighted on your story. After that, what you need to do is you need to log in into your Snapchat account. After that, you'll need to go to your profile icon right on top. As soon as you've done that, scroll down a bit, and as you can see here, this is my story, so click on it. In order to reply for it, you'll need to tap on the link, which is right over here. After that, once again, double tap to reply. So click on the continue button if you see the statement such as this. Now what you need to do is you need to type in the answer. So here you need to just type in whatever your query is, just like this, and click on send it. Now you've successfully answered Sendit question. As you can see right on top, I received a notification stating that there is a message. So in order to see the response, you'll need to go back to your Sendit application, open it up, and then head over to your inbox page. In order to go to your inbox page, you need to tap on inbox, which is right at the bottom. Now as you can see, this is the particular message that I received. Click on it, and here you go, that the message has been revealed. So in this way you can answer Sendit question. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.